Hey you guys, how's it going? My name's Liz. So today I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to make a vector image with PhotoScapeX. PhotoScapeX is an amazing tool. It's completely free. I discovered it about a year ago, and it's taken me about a year to figure out all of, the features in it because there are zero tutorials on YouTube. It is an amazing tool and it's completely free. So if you have the chance, go download it before they start charging for it. But today we are going to make a vector image. So a vector image is just essentially your image without a background. So instead of having like a white or a black background, there is zero background. So how to do that is first you want to start with a brand new image. So go to new, and then this is what's going to pop up. You can put any pixels you want in it, but you want to move this down to 0 so it's transparent. Okay, click OK. And so it looks like there's nothing there, but you are creating an image right in the middle. There's no borders, but I think you can add yep, you can add borders. You can add borders down here, show borders. So I'll show you what a vector image looks like. So if we just go over, I'm just using Canva as a way to check my vector images. So this is what we're going to be creating today. This is just my logo for my Amazon consulting business. So you see that this background was already here. This is just an overlay with my logo on it. So that's what we're going to be creating today. So let's go back to Photoscape. So you're going to want to go to Insert. This is where all the magic happens. And then add text. So ebiz, leave some spaces, with Liz. And then I'm going to add another text, with, because I like this smaller. Sounds like my laptop is working hard right now, so excuse that. Okay. Oh, so I added an arrow, but I want to make it with 4 different points. So one right here and one at the other eye. So I connect all the eyes. That's just how I made my logo. And then I have a line on the bottom. And then I go to Bondi small caps. It's like literally the easiest logo to make. And I was making it like 20 times a month because I didn't know how to do this before. So this has saved me a lot of time, you guys. Amazon consulting and coaching. Okay, make you smaller. I think, oh, I had it. There we go. That's exactly it. So once you have your logo all finished, you can do a lot of customization to it. It's really awesome that way. You could add a border around it with like a circle or a frame, whatever you want to do. It's really awesome in that aspect. So you want to save as, and then you can save vector images as PNG or GIF. I'm just doing PNG, that's the default. Tutorial. Boom. All right, now we're gonna go test it out on Canva, upload the image. Desktop tutorial. Get you out of the way. This is the new one. Boom. Overlays over anything. You see? How cool. So you can create a lot of marketing content with just one image. Keep your same logo, keep your same image, whatever you want to do. You can just change the background or change the other images. It's a great way to go. It saves you a lot of time. and it saves you a lot of money because it's completely free. So if you guys would like to see more tutorials on how to use PhotoScapeX, I would love to show you guys. There are like 0 resources on how to use it, and it's an amazing tool. So let me know if you'd like to see more, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be putting a full series out on PhotoScapeX, so subscribe. I will see you guys later. Bye.